Hi, this is Kirk from Charles Product Development. In this video, I will show how to edit the configuration of the HMI for the Nashville Loom monitor. Here we see the web view of the HMI. This is just on my desk, and you'll see that the PLC is in error, and that's because I don't have a battery in this particular PLC. Hopefully you won't see those. Let's jump right into editing. The Panasonic development system is called HMI Studio here on my desktop, and get that open and maximized. When HMI Studio is installed, it creates a workspace. Within that workspace, I have a folder for the files. Lots of files in here. The JPR file is the key item that brings all of the necessary little files together. So I'm going to open that. You'll see the home screen here in the center. On the right-hand side is the properties. This is context sensitive depending on what you have selected. And on the left, the project properties, project view, excuse me, that has the project properties, pages, configurations, and so forth. You'll notice that the page buttons at the bottom don't show the same as on the HMI. They here say VAR P1, VAR P2, etc. Whereas on the HMI, it'll say Loom 201 to 205 or something like that. The way that is controlled is through a global variable. And that is in the project properties tab here. We'll open that, and here we have the underscore variables widget. Has to be named that for some reason. We'll click over here on the item, and then you have to click the plus, and then you have to click the select variables. A lot of mouse clicks for some reason. And now we have the variables. The button text for page 1 is 202 to 206, and so on. So let's pretend that we are changing, we're adding Loom 901 to 903, and we're going to update that. And when we go to page 10, of course, it is not changing here because it is a global variable. We also have to change all of the Loom names here. This is done with a local variable. This variables widget, it shows on this screen, but does not show on the HMI. Similarly, we click this, highlight it, highlight the window, highlight the plus, click select variables, and now we can change this. This will be Loom 901, Loom 902, arrow down, Loom 903. We also, of course, have to change the array index on the PLC so that all of the data is looking to the correct spot, or all of the data displays. So this would be 76, say, and 77. Of course, this is determined on how the looms are hooked up, and 78. And the other two are still spares. And again, this won't show up. We're going to hit validate on the project here. It will save the file. We'll get some warnings. These 7 warnings all relate to the day of the month not showing up on the website. Don't know why that is, but it is. Not a problem. Now we're going to hit the download button. The first thing that happens is the program compiles, and we hit download. Downloads the changes. Close that. And now we'll go back to the web view. Since the system restarted, we have to log in again. Admin is the password at the moment. Of course, that can be changed, and depending on whether or not you want to have the weavers have phone access to this site on their phone, over the web or whatever. Now you can see that the page label has changed. And by the way, all of these buttons across the bottom are just copied and pasted across all the pages. So they're all the same and they're all looking at the same global variable. We're going to look at 901, and lo and behold, this has been changed. You can see that the array index has been changed, and we still have our spares. There you have it.